Welcome back to our update about Beyond Meat, which already reversed on our button that we discussed a few days ago. Before we go further and discuss who bought Beyond Meat last time and what we should expect from the price from there, remember our content here for educational purposes and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let us discuss Beyond Meat price action because guys, we got a really interesting reversal here. This is the first time after the dip that we got last time. This is the first time we did 25%, which is interesting reversal for Beyond Meat. We didn't have this drastic change for reversal. Last time, yes, we have 30%, almost around the 28th of October, almost 1 week ago, we have 30% reversal, then we pull back, and here we have 25% reversal and another pullback. So where the price will go? Are we going to have drastic change for price action of Beyond Meat, like what we did at mid of October? We have, or the beginning of October, yes, mid of October, we have the drastic reversal for Beyond Meat, and the drastic dip it was in the beginning of October. So now we are in the beginning of November. We might have the drastic reversal once we break this level of resistance. Let me just show you guys. This channel has been respected since this dip that we got from this flag. You see here, back in the 24th of October on Friday, we have this dip and we entered the bearish channel from there, and we didn't break this channel since then. So what we should expect after that, $1.50, it is the level that we should break and hold over in order to confirm a breakout. Let me just adjust it here, $1.55 to be precise, for the price action to have confirming a reversal for Beyond Meat. Because if we don't break the $1.55, it means we're still inside this bearish channel, and it means the short seller currently controlling the price and overcoming the buyers. So once we break this level, guys, the $1.55, the reversal will start for Beyond Meat, because right now this is good reversal that we did 20%, but Beyond Meat need to do more than that. We need to do at least from this dip until here almost 40%, double what we did, in order to confirm a reversal up to Beyond Meat. So watch out for the $1.55 and the support $1.20, in order to confirm that we have a major buyer and whale who bought around the 120, and then go toward the $2, $1.70, $2, and then the $2.53. Let me just lower it down around the $2.35. So we have three levels of profit taking once we break the 155 for Beyond Meat. This is really drastic, important level to for Beyond Meat to have to confirm that we got a reversal for the price action, because after this huge jump, guys, we went down for the current price, or the kind of psychological price that we went back to, because this is drastic price 1000%, and now technically we up 88% from the last squeeze that we did in the 18th of October. So it's still up almost 100% for before even the flush. So currently we're still up 88%. So if you entered before, yes, you tell me like we are down by a lot. But if you're just considering or comparing Beyond Meat with the other stocks, 88% in just 1 month, guys, is still a huge price or huge gains for Beyond Meat for this month or the end of this year. But as everybody is saying, Beyond Meat is meme stock, so we don't compare it to normal stock, so it's not normal anymore. However, it's good to have this big picture and how much we already did and how much we actually still holding, which is 88%, which show us that we still have a chance for a reversal if we hold the $1.20, and the bottom, which is the 91, if we don't break the 155. There's the short scenario if we went down around the 91, but the best case scenario is holding now $1.20, breaking the 1.55 and go toward the 173 and $2. Let me know guys in comment section below, are we gonna have this is the last 2 months, are we gonna have at least the breakout around the 155 and go toward the $3, which is the main target to go to have another squeeze, not the $8 but the $3. The $8 is a bit far, but if we have another squeeze, I expect the $3.33, which give us at least 136%, which is possible for Beyond Meat to do if we have drastic change in the price action or the squeeze around the $1.55. Meantime, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because we're gonna go live tomorrow 30 minutes before the market open, and before that on our Discord Patreon, where we discuss a really good trade. Yesterday we did 2 trades. We did for MSBR, which did a really great job for today, and the other stock is TERN, did a great job. I think yesterday we did yeah, MSAI and TGE here before the market open, and we did for today in the pre-market watch list, guys. We did PTLE, which was around below the 37 and went around the 43 even before the market opened. So before the market open, guys, we always discuss the market and prepare before the market opens. So the link comes section below, guys, if you want to join. Thank you for watching, and meantime, and see you all by tomorrow.